How to run TikTok ads on Shopify. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a TikTok ad to your product in Shopify. So the idea is you have a product on Shopify and you're advertising it on TikTok. Now, to do that, there are the Shopify side of things and the TikTok side of things. For the Shopify side of things, the first thing that we need to do is to add the TikTok application in Shopify. And you can do that by going to the apps over here in your admin dashboard in Shopify and click add recommended apps. Or I mean all recommended apps, and click Shopify App Store. And let's go ahead and install the TikTok app for Shopify. Search TikTok in the search bar, and the TikTok application that we want to do is of course the official TikTok app with the TikTok Inc. as the developer. So I have already have my TikTok app installed, so I'll just go ahead and go straight to the app. But if you haven't installed your app, your TikTok app already on Shopify, you should see the install button over here instead of the open app button that I have right now. Now, let's go to the TikTok app once you've had installed the app. And the first thing that you should see is a login page, and usually this is that involves you entering your TikTok business account and your TikTok ads account, because the TikTok app in Shopify is mainly used for two things. One is to track your store activity, and two is to advertise the apps. Now it's pretty straightforward, but it's easy if you have set up your TikTok business account. And to do that, I highly recommend you go to TikTok Business Center and make your TikTok business account over there. You can log in with your normal TikTok account right now, so it's very convenient. I trust you to do that yourself. Okay, so once you've set up your TikTok account and logged that into the TikTok app in Shopify, the next thing that we want to do is you will see this page over here. Now, there's a few things that we need to do. First is to make sure that we have a product, of course. And the next thing is let's go and straight to create campaign. So what a campaign is basically an event that you can create an ads to. So your campaign can involve a few products or just one product. In this case, I'm going to give you an example of a campaign that I will make for my t-shirt. So let's click create campaign on the top side over here. And what it does is that it will take you to your TikTok Smart Performance campaign page. And let's change the activity name over here. Now, I recommend you to be very specific on your campaign over here. So if you want this campaign to just sell products, then of course put it name it conversion t-shirt. But if you just want it to be like a broadcast, like to increase brand awareness, so let's just say it's broadcast t-shirt. Now I'm going to explain to you how you can how you can make a conversion campaign which has the main focus of selling your product, of selling the product in this campaign, right? So as I said, you can promote a single product, a collection, or your homepage. Now your homepage is, in a sense, you're really promoting your Shopify store as a whole instead of a specific product or collection. And this is very good if you want to increase brand awareness, right? Now, I'm going to give you an example of just a single product over here. And let's click select product. And it will take you to this menu over here, this prompt for you to choose which product that you want. I'm going to choose my t-shirt product over here, my example t-shirt. Let's click add, and there you go. Now the cool thing about TikTok is as in many of their operations for you, is that they will automatically do things for you, right? And as you can see, they are ready to generate a video based on our product information. Now, if you want to use this video, then great, just click that, just click it. But if you want to create your own video, you can also do that by uploading a set of footages that you have. See, this is, you don't even need an already made and edited footage. TikTok can do it for you. You can just upload up to 10 videos over here, 10 raw videos, and TikTok will edit it for you. So how you can do that is to click upload over here and upload over 10 raw footages of your products, and then click generate videos, and it will generate the video like we have over here. So let's go ahead and click to our auto-generated video over here. Now, as you can see, I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty catchy, right? But nothing special. Well, I mean, it can turn out much better if you provide a more variative video. I see. Now, the next thing that we will need to set up is our ad text. Let's just say the text is, let's find like cool t-shirt for summer days, right? Okay, so if you go to advanced, you can change the display name and the profile image based on your store. I'm going to leave that at this point. Now, the targeting, you can set the location. Now, you can set the location to all, which means worldwide, or you can set the location to your specific country. I am just going to set the location to worldwide so that I can sell as much as possible to as many people as possible. And the optimization event is, well, as it said, is the type of result that we'd like to see from this advertisement for TikTok to determine how and when they display our advertisement. Now, if you just want to increase brand awareness, of course, you can choose view content. But if you want the ad to find customers that will actually buy your product, then click complete payment. There are other options over here. You can explore it yourself. Next is the budget. I'm just going to leave it. You can change your budget, your daily budget for your advertisement, and you can add a schedule over here. Now you can change the schedule. I'm just going to leave it as so. You can click toggle to run continuously or not. And in this case, if you want to set a time frame, then uncheck the run continuously checkbox and set an end time for your campaign. So it will start from today to like the specific end date that you will end the advertisement. I'm just gonna use the video generated by TikTok over here. And then lastly, if you're ready to go, then click submit. Now, right now I am waiting for the video to be loaded in the preview, but if you're done and if your preview is ready, then you can click submit. And then that is basically how you run advertisement on Shopify with TikTok Shop. Now in this case, I haven't added a payment in Business Center. Now if this pops up to you as well, then you need to add your payment method, because you need to actually provide a way for TikTok to bill you, right? So just go to Business Center over here, and you will be prompted to add your payment information. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. So there you go. That's all from me. I hope you have a good luck. Thank you.